Have fun with that. You can do it.
I bet if I...
How you said you brought it?
Oh my god. Chris! Are you serious? You know he puts his bong in that bag. You seriously thought that was a bat?
No, that was, I wasn't talking about that. I thought he said he brought a bat other than that.
Watch out!
I don't know what the
It's done, Brian. You're okay.
Oh,
shit!
That was hilarious. Right off the...
Oh shit! Foul ball.
Just got a solid double.
I hit here, not here. I hit here and hit over.
Let me try that now.
Oh fuck.
It's not as
Watch out for the sea otter, you guys.
It's in the way. It's on the wall.
He was here first. It's raining golf balls, poor kid. Oh. There we go. Rob, do something stupid.
It's not videotaping, is it?
No. I'm just holding it and looking at you through it because it's a sub-reality. Oh shit! Chris, watch out!
Are you taking pictures?
No, I'm filming.
I thought you said you weren't.
Sarcasm!
I didn't pick up.